The high-profile case surrounding Nicolas Sarkozy, the former president of France, has just taken a significant turn, as he was declared guilty of criminal conspiracy. This ruling arises from allegations concerning the acceptance of millions of euros in illicit funds from the infamous Libyan leader, Muammar Gaddafi, who is now deceased. While the Parisian court acquitted Sarkozy of other serious charges, such as passive corruption and improper campaign financing, this verdict has sent shockwaves through the political landscape. Sarkozy, who served as the French president from 2007 to 2012, has consistently maintained that the accusations against him are driven by political motivations. The core of the allegations suggests that he used these questionable funds from Gaddafi to support his successful 2007 election campaign. To add a layer of complexity, the prosecution claimed that Sarkozy offered assistance to Gaddafi in rehabilitating his image in the eyes of Western nations, which many countries had shunned at that time. This intricate relationship raises ethical questions about the intertwining of politics and finance. The investigation began in 2013, 2 years after Saif al-Islam, Gaddafi's son, first asserted that Sarkozy had received an extravagant sum from his father for campaign purposes. The following year, Lebanese businessman Ziad Taqiyuddin, who acted as a go-between for French and Middle Eastern interests, declared that he had substantial evidence that Sarkozy's campaign was abundantly funded by the Libyan government. Intriguingly, he contended that the payments amounting to an astonishing 50 million euros, about 43 million pounds, continued even after Sarkozy took office. In a related development, Carla Bruni Sarkozy, Sarkozy's wife and former supermodel, was charged recently over allegations of concealing evidence linked to the Gaddafi case. She faces accusations related to collaborating with wrongdoers to commit fraud, accusations that she vigorously denies. Since his defeat in the 2012 election, Sarkozy has been embroiled in various criminal inquiries. He is currently appealing a February 2024 verdict that found him guilty of overspending during his 2012 re-election campaign, an electoral misstep followed by attempts to cover it up through a public relations firm. A 1-year prison sentence was handed down, with half of that time suspended. Additionally, in a significant legal milestone, Sarkozy made headlines as the first former French president to receive a custodial sentence in 2021 for attempting to bribe a judge. Fortunately for him, the Paris Appeals Court allowed him to serve his sentence at home with an electronic tag rather than in a traditional prison setting. But here's where it gets controversial. Many in the public and political arenas debate whether Sarkozy is genuinely guilty of these accusations or if he is a victim of an orchestrated political vendetta. Could this case set a precedent for future political accountability? Or will it merely reinforce the belief that the powerful can manipulate the system? What are your thoughts? Is there a point where political battles cross into unlawful territory? And where do we draw the line in holding leaders accountable? Share your opinions below.